Hey, my name's Toby. I'd like to tell you a little bit about who I am, since you all care so fucking much. I was homeschooled from an early age because, well, you know the age-old tale. The kid has mental disorders, the kid is bullied, everyone always picks on the retarded kid. They called me Ticci Toby because of my goddamn tics. I wasn't retarded, though. I was troubled. I had Tourette's and a whole slew of disorders, but my favorite was the one that made me completely numb to any pain. Too bad it didn't work for a broken heart. Anyways, I lived with Ma, Sis, and dear old Dad. Dad was just an amazing father, always getting drunk and beating us. He's dead now. And Sis died from a car accident. I suppose I grew more distant after that. Who the fuck needs a social life? I have the voices in my head to keep me company. And to think, those pesky doctors tried to silence them. So anyways, I butchered dear old Dad. Afterwards, I decided I could end it all and escape this meaningless world. But then, I blacked out. Next thing I know, this thing is standing over me. It had no eyes, no nose, and no mouth, but somehow it spoke to me.
Toby, open your eyes, child.
I did as he asked.
It is not time for your end.
And he was right. That was just the beginning of my journey.